In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Grammarly, both using the web editor and the desktop version. So whether you're a seasoned writer or just getting started, it's always important to ensure that your hard work is not only edited, but also properly saved for future use. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about accessing your work. You'll need to log in to the Grammarly editor by visiting app.grammarly.com. Once logged in, you can either create a new document by clicking on the New Document option, or if you have an existing document that you'd like to work on, you can choose to upload it by selecting Upload File. This flexibility helps accommodate different workflows, whether starting fresh or revisiting previous drafts. Now, as you make edits and corrections, here's a handy feature. Grammarly automatically saves your changes to your account. This real-time saving process ensures that your edits are secure in Grammarly's cloud, which means you don't have to worry about losing your progress if you accidentally close your browser or experience a technical hiccup. But what if you want to save and export the document you're working on to your computer? This is where the next steps come in. Look towards the upper left corner of the editor interface, and you'll spot the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger icon. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options. From there, select Download. If the document you originally uploaded was a .docx file or another supported format, Grammarly will download it in the same format, maintaining consistency and ensuring compatibility with other software you might use, like Microsoft Word. Let's go over a few additional tips to make your experience seamless. If you've pasted text directly into the editor instead of uploading a file, you might notice that some formatting doesn't carry over. To keep all your original formatting intact, it's best to upload your document using the Upload File option, make your edits, and then download the edited version. In case you accidentally delete a document from Grammarly, don't panic. Deleted documents are moved to trash, where they can be restored within 30 days. A helpful safeguard if you need to recover something quickly. Also, if you're interested in understanding your document's performance, you can download a PDF report containing detailed statistics like the overall score, word count, and readability. These insights can be found in the overall score section of the editor. And there you have it. With these steps and tips, you'll be able to confidently manage and save all of your writing projects on Grammarly. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.